So a lot of you might not know how to access the recording. So I'll just quickly show you how to find them, whether it's this course and another course. You will go into where the online classroom link and recordings button is in your homepage. Click that. When you see the Collaborate Ultra button, click that. Wait until it loads. Then you'll see the sessions bar and the menu, which I call 3 pancakes. Click the menu and your recordings will be where the recordings section is. And today in my class, there's 2 recordings because we did a breakout session and the recording stopped and then we had to restart it. So there's 2 recordings for the first class. So what you do is you look for the date, the start date, and how long it is. And then you can see the options here. So you can watch it. So just click the play button. You can download it to a device or you can copy the link. Anyway, and to access the class, you just get out of here and go into sessions. And then you just click the words here and then join course room. And that's all there is to accessing the recordings and the class. Good luck.